Here's something you could run into if you have an area or a section of the home that is lower than the ground level. And of course, this could include basements or in any structures with retaining walls holding back soil. You can see right here that someone has placed some sandbags because they're obviously having a problem with the drainage system. And all of this water is coming from this area. It's all running downhill and ending up in one spot. And if that particular drain isn't working, this is what you're going to end up with. So if you're planning on designing a building with a drain system, you need to make sure that you put enough thought into the diameter of the pipes. Is it going to require a sump pump? Will the sump pump and all of the mechanical parts be able to be changed out if there are any problems? Will the drains actually be, will they be capable or able of being cleaned? There's been times where people have done tile work or worked with cement and they simply wash this stuff down these drains because they don't really realize what these drains are. And then all of a sudden you have a drain filled with a nice rock hard solid substance like leftover grout or thin set or even like a cement based material. These are all things you really need to think about. I know we like to have access to certain parts of a building and it's great to have that, but if you could somehow set it up to where you would have a natural drainage type of system in the landscaping or even through pipes, you're going to be better off. If you need to install a sump pump, then you need to make sure that the sump pump is going to be accessible because these things break. And when they break, guess what? You're going to have water entering the building.